Philippines, Governor Gwendolyn Fiel Garcia.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, our beloved, sama-sama tayo sa bagong Pilipinas, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr.
Thank you very much to our good governor of the province of Cebu for her kind introduction. The honorable members of the House of Representatives who are with us here today. Cebu City Acting Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia. Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Vincent Macabal. Mga kalahok ng palaro ng pambansa 2024, mga kagalang-galang na panangin, mga kasamahan ng Purbayan, mga Pilipino na kino, ayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Before we start, I have received initial reports of the effects of heavy rains here in Cebu yesterday. They resulted in mass floods, structural collapse, and damage to property. At the moment, the concerned agencies are actively conducting SNR search and rescue operations. Rest assured, national and local governments are working closely to bring speedy help to those who are affected by the heavy rains, especially in Carmen, in Manila, and Cebu. I also direct the Office of the President and the DSWD to provide assistance to the local government units affected by the flood. We include all those affected in our thoughts and in our prayers. However, despite these challenges, we remain resilient and focused on the goal, just like the athletes here who are about to compete in the Panarong Pambansa. It is therefore with a great deal of pride that I welcome all our athletes, our